If the Christmas tree function to Christmas lights, and don't make your router into a Christmas tree. All these lights, if you want to turn them off, there's an easy way to do that. That's the GPON router, fiber optic router. That's the GPON router, fiber optic router, and ISP router, MikroTik. They don't have bright lights too much, but this one, look how bright they are. I mean, actually, even this one is not too bad. You could put tape here, electrical tape. You can maybe just cover the LED lights with electrical tape. But there is a really much better way to stop the lights from the settings of the router to make it into a stealth mode. Let's go to the web interface. To do this, you go to the IP of your router. Usually it's the IP of your device and .1 at the end instead of any number. Most common is 192.168.0.1 or 0.1.1. And here you will have your login details. If you don't have this, you have to contact someone who has this for your router, if it's some other family member, and sign in. Once you're signed in, this is the Asus RT-N66U, and it's using the Asus Merlin. This is the Asus RT-N66. This is the Asus RT-N66U, and it's using the Asus Merlin firmware, and it's pretty old, this router actually. I have to restart it every night before it keeps working, but it still works. So yeah, to make it turn off all the lights on the router, you go into the tools menu, and here into the tools menu you go to other settings. Here in the tools other settings menu, you will see the option for, what is it, stealth mode, this one here. You see it selected now on the screen, stealth mode. It means it disables all LEDs, and this is really what you want, and you click yes here. After I choose the yes option to stealth mode, disable all LEDs, I'll go to the bottom of the page and press apply. Once you press apply, the LEDs of the router are off. If you need to turn them back on, you have to come back to this menu and change the settings from yes to no, and then press apply again. Let's see the router. As you can see now, the LEDs are off. The only LEDs that are on are the Christmas lights, but not the router lights. So it's all completely off. There is no way to really tell if the router is turned on. At this point, all the lights are off. It's stealth mode. So the ISP GPON router and the MikroTik router from the same ISP, they are still on. But the lights on those are not very bright. If you want to remove those lights also, you can put black electrical tape over them. Black electrical tape or gaffer's tape to not leave any residue on them. But this was the easiest to turn off the lights from the main router. These ones are very weak. You can't really see them, but these ones at night you could see them really bright. Thanks for watching.